Guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. This video is special, so why waste time? Let's get into it. So guys, this is the product which I'm going to unbox, and this video is sponsored by Flipkart. And you will be thinking that why I'm posting in April, because my exam were going on. So yeah, let's unbox it. So guys, we will first read about the specification and the brand. Number one smartphone brand, Redmi Note 5 Mi. In the back, 6 inch, almost 6 inch, for front selfie light, 20 rear camera, 400 mAh battery, very good. That is very much better than any other phone. Snapdragon 625, 4 mm octa-core processor. Package contained Redmi Note 5 adapter, USB cable, SIM ejector tool, user guide, warranty card, clear soft case, product name, product model, mobile phone, manufacturer, Xiaomi, and that's it. 64 GB, 4 GB RAM. So that's it, guys. Made in India, you can see. So let's open it. This was easy. So guys, let me open it. Let me take the help of okay, 1 minute. That's why it is not coming out. As you can see, let me just pull it down. Phone, just let's open it. Let's see in this is the cover, I think so. Yeah, very nice cover. Let's put it aside. Let's take it out. I think it all came down. Guys, this is the phone. Yeah, you can see in the back. Let's put it aside. Let's see. Redmi Note 5. Not. This is waste. Another thing. This is the guide manual. Yeah, this is it. So let's put it aside. This is the USB cable charging, and you can put in to transfer files. Okay, just a second, guys. This is the charger which fall down right now. Sorry for that. And yeah, let's first do this. Let's put that aside. Let's focus it. Input 100 to 50 volts, output 50 volts, and amp 0.35 ampere, 50 to 60 hertz. That's nice. Fast charger. Let's see what we got. In that we got the SIM ejector tool. So let's open the phone. Let me adjust it. So guys, after when it opens, I will let you know, and I will also do the setup. As you can see, powered by Android, which is very good. Let me upgradations also, quick upgradations. So yeah guys, I've I have done all the settings and the upgradation, so let's open it. Let's first see the fingerprint. There we go. Quick. So let's go to the setting. Let's see first this. Let's go to the settings. About phone. Android version 7.1.2. That's nice. 4 GB RAM. That's nice. 64 GB internal storage. That's right. How much we get? Let's see. Storage. 52 GB out of 64 GB. That's pretty low, but it is good. You do not, you do not need of SD card. So let's go back and see the camera. Let's open it. Allow. Okay, let's see this first. Just let me see. Let's see this first. Let's focus here. You can't see here, sorry for that, but yeah, just let me put it here. Let's take another picture. Let's see the photo. As you can see, pretty good resolution of this phone. Let's see the options which we get in this. Audio, beautify, manual HD scenes, tilt shift. Let's see this. Okay, it focus in one product. It can focus in on the one thing, which is very good from my opinion. And let's see let's see this. What is it? Nice, but not. Let's turn the camera. As you can see, hi guys. For selfie camera, let me take the picture. Here we go. Yeah guys, it is bad picture. Not bad, not bad. As you can see, no, good 5 megapixel camera, better than any phone right now in the market. Let's make a video by this. Let's take it fast. Let's see it. Let's allow it. Let's take it fast. Also hear the voice. Okay guys, let's take it fast. Pretty good voice in this one. It has only one speaker also. Let's see the options. Time lapse. Just take time lapse. Let's see the video. Not bad. Delete it. Let's see the option slow motion. Just a second. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad at all. That my opinion. This guys, just a second. I will come and show you the slow motion video in just a second. Okay guys. As you guys have seen the pretty good slow motion video, nothing else is in the phone. Just let me see the settings, guys. Nothing else is in this phone. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment which product you want me to unbox. And guys, the link of this product is in the description to buy. And please follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook to know more videos which are coming. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and peace.